Federal Mogul Corporation Athens is part of Federal Mogul Corporation's Sealing Division, which provides sealing solutions for complete engine, transmission, and driveline systems, including sealing and NVH modules, LEM and MLS cylinder head gaskets, thermal acoustic protection, and dynamic seals. They needed a press with a knockdown part discharge feature to remove the dynamic seal parts after molding. Failing to find such a press, Federal Mogul turned to Wabash MPI to design a machine. The facility in Athens, Alabama already utilized several Wabash presses. Wabash supplied 2 new vacuum shroud presses with the top knockdown part discharge feature to manufacture Federal Mogul's molded dynamic seals for engine, transmission, and drivetrain systems. Startup was simple, with few press issues. Marvin Johnson, project engineer at Federal Mogul, said, "The big thing is Wabash came down here. They sent engineers down to help us get started up, and once we got through that startup cycle, we haven't had to go back and work on these presses." The presses mold various elastomer compounds, which are dependent upon the product and application, to a metal insert. The metals are loaded onto the lower mold plate, and the center mold plate is lowered using the press's hydraulic core lifter circuit. Elastomer preforms are then loaded into the mold cavities, and the press is closed. Vacuum is then drawn in the chamber, and the parts are molded. After the molding cycle, an eject plate automatically shuttles into the press clamp area. The lower core lifters lift the center plate and strip the parts from the lower mold plate. The lifters then extend further to eject the parts onto a tray. As the operator removes the part tray, the eject plate moves out of the press clamp area. Post-molding operations are then used to machine, assemble, and complete the seal for use. Although the new presses were built specifically for the current seals, they can run any of the molds from the facility's other Wabash presses. Federal Mogul now has 12 Wabash presses total with the 2 latest presses, and is pleased with the positive experience they've had with Wabash and its machines. Federal Mogul has done some improvements to several of their press controls and was able to work with Wabash to integrate their own improvements into the control features of the new presses. Johnson said, "Wabash was willing to work with us to get the issues as we found them corrected and improved as we've gone through the years." Here at Wabash, we are proud of our long association with Federal Mogul Athens, and we look forward to the opportunity to serve their needs for many years to come.